Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have just got the mystery tackle box Elite. Really excited about this first one. So I think this is going to be the March tackle box because they release on the 10th, from what I understand, or just before the 10th. So I don't know if I'm getting the March or the April Elite box. So anyway, I'm real curious to see if they catered this to my region. Obviously they mailed it to me. So am I getting stuff they're going to use up north? I don't know. So anyway, we're going to open this up, see what we get. I'm super excited. All right, so you know, measuring tape here. Let's see, we've got sticker, snake sticker, contest. Oh, here's our list of what we got. Welcome aboard packet. That's nice. With a Google search. So tons of paperwork. All right. First, let's see. We're going to get a. And this is the Elite, so this should have everything. So we have a jig rig, twist lock jig rig with 1/4 ounce weight. I'll probably use that, so that's nice actually. A Catch Company spin bait valued at $5.99. So this is $5.99 spinner bait. 2 willows. Let's see. Another sticker. Mystery tackle box sticker. A fishing weight stopper. Never seen this. Weight stops here. Excite Baits. Fishing bait stopper. I'll have to read about that. I'm not sure what it does. Ooh, this is actually nice. A Lucky Craft little crankbait with red crawl flake. That's actually pretty nice. All right, so that's let's see what the value of that is. That is $12.99. So that's actually pretty awesome. Got a rattle. I'm excited about that. Oh wow, here's another. Looks like going to be a pretty big bait, big fish, right? A Weston swim bait. Oh, it's a pretty color too. This is Green Ghost, valued at $13.99. I really like that. That's again another rattle. Pretty excited about that. Woo. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, 15-pound braid. I'm actually pretty happy about that, to be honest. You know, string's cool, braid's cool. It's good color. It's like a OD green color. Let's see if they value that. I don't see that on the list. Actually, oh yeah, $13.99 for that as well. Very cool. High Seas Grand Slam braid. Very nice. Bio bait. These worms look awesome. Never dries out. Tear resistant. You can go wacky, tube style weedless, swim bait. They actually have a really nice form, little bitty tiny grooves on them. I don't know if you can see that, but really cool, really cool. Oh, and those are valued at those are the bio baits, $5.99. So not bad. This is a Riot Worms. Again, a great color. I'm pretty happy with the. Maybe they did cater to my region. So anyway, it's purple and green with flake. I don't think it actually has a color on the package, but so the Riot. $4.99 for these worms, and they actually look pretty cool as well. So I'm pretty impressed, actually. I thought I was going to be able to, knock it a little bit. Maybe think that it wasn't as cool as I thought it was going to be, but no, there was some really, really useful stuff. So figure 14, let's see, just round that up. So that's 30, 45. I mean, we're well over, we're almost at 60 bucks there for what's in the box, and some pretty good stuff I'm excited to use. All things I would use, so I don't know that I can complain about it at all. Excited to try this stuff. So again, I'm not sure if it's March or April, but this is the Elite Mystery Tackle Box. Awesome stuff. Thanks, guys.